Okay, in the last video we just finished up this process here, which was to write the color button event procedure. This was for the color button, and we are putting in the code, so we're writing the event procedure for that. Okay, so we just finished that. So if you wanted to further customize the color dialog box, you can do that either in here, and you would do it before the box actually opens up, so you might put it right here, put some code there, and or you could set properties of that object. So here's allow full open, for example. It's currently set to true, and that allows the user to define custom colors, which they had the opportunity to do in our case. And any color is currently set to false, but you could try seeing what difference that makes if you set it to true. It should allow the user to select any color shown in the dialog box. And full open is currently set to false, and if you set it to true, it should display the custom colors area when the dialog box first opens. So you can try that. You can also set the show help button to true. Property to true, and that will enable a help button in the dialog box. And then there's solid colors only, and that will restrict the kinds of colors that are available, and you can try that as well. Now you can also set these properties, as I said, inside here, and you'd probably want to do it before this opens up. And if you want to add a non-standard dialog box to program, so that's not the standard ones that are included, you can do that as well. Basically, you just make a form, an extra form, and that form can be used to receive and display information. So you can have a second form. We haven't done that yet, but you'll see that you can do that. And then on that new form, you'd add what we call input and output objects, and that will enable you to create an input form or an output form. Okay, and one more thing you can do if you want to. You can add a shortcut key to this. So what I mean by that is you click on here. Suppose you want to add a shortcut key to this, and then you click over here on shortcut keys, so it's a property of this item, and then you can select maybe Control, and I guess you can choose one of these, Control F1. Or maybe Control T would be better since it's time. If I can find T, there it is. And now let's see what happens when we run it. And I'll hit Control T. Okay, so it runs that command. A little bit strange, because if you remember, I still have, let's see why that is. If I go back to here and double click on it, I still have this around it. Maybe I'll take that off and do it again. And I'll do Control T again. And so you have the shortcut keys. Okay, that's it for chapter 4.